We're gonna need a forklift to get this out of here. You're gonna need more than one person, I think. All right, let's blast it off. That is a lot of. I say that every time I dig in a alata. Clean some of these roots off so we can get in and wash it a little better. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to carry it or not, but we can get off as much dirt and grime and extra roots, etc. as possible, and then get it inside. At least roughly clean it up out here in the field before we bring it to the Smithsonian for them to bury it and say there was never such a thing as giant yams in North America. Proof of concept. Yeah, we'll just split it.
Go ahead.
Yeah, ready? Hang on to this side. Oh, man. So I am 175. Hold still. 227. Got it?
Yep.
210. 210. So that is 34. So 51 plus 34 equals 85. LBS 85. Oh my goodness.